You're looking at the wrong thing on the price chart. When you open a price chart, what are you really looking for? Price, predictions, or evidence? Most traders open a chart hoping to answer one question: where is price going next? But I believe that's the wrong question, because markets don't simply move. Markets leave evidence. Every candlestick, every swing, every consolidation is part of a story. Today, I don't want to analyze today's market. Instead, let's go back in time. I'm going to show you two real market case studies. One is EUR USD, the other is gold. At first glance, they looked almost identical. Both reached major highs. Both experienced a significant correction. Both entered a consolidation that lasted for several months. If I removed their names, most traders would probably reach the same conclusion. These two markets will probably move in the same direction. Seems reasonable, but the market had a different story to tell. EUR USD rolled over, then entered a powerful downtrend that lasted for nearly a year. Gold, it did the exact opposite. After the consolidation, it continued into a strong uptrend. Two charts, very similar structures, completely different outcomes. So let me ask you something. Why? What changed? Where did one market lose strength while the other gained momentum? At what point did the market quietly reveal its next direction? Because that's where real trading begins, not with predictions, but with better questions. Many traders memorize chart patterns. I don't think that's enough, because patterns don't move markets. People do. Buyers do. Sellers do. Decisions do. Fear does. Greed does. Patterns are simply the footprints they leave behind. Think about it. If you found footprints on the ground, you wouldn't stop by saying someone walked here. You'd ask who? Where were they going? Were they accelerating or slowing down? Did they change direction? A price chart works the same way. Every candle leaves evidence. Every rejection leaves evidence. Every breakout leaves evidence. Every failed breakout leaves evidence. System thinking teaches us something very important. Never study the outcome without understanding the process that created it. Price is the outcome. Market behavior is the process. The chart is the record of that process. That's why two charts can look almost identical, yet produce completely different outcomes. The difference isn't hidden in the pattern, it's hidden in the evidence, in the relationship between structure, momentum, acceptance, rejection, and the continuous battle between buyers and sellers. So here's my challenge for you. Open both charts. Study EUR USD, study gold. Forget the outcome for a moment. Instead, ask better questions. Where did the market first leave evidence that something had changed? Which candle mattered the most? Which level was accepted? Which level was rejected? Don't rush to find my answer. Find yours. Because that's how traders grow. Not by collecting predictions, but by developing the ability to think. Remember this. Trading is not about predicting the future. Trading is about understanding the evidence the market leaves behind. Because the market always leaves clues long before it reveals the answer. If this way of thinking gives you a new perspective, subscribe to this YouTube channel, because this isn't a channel that tells you what to buy or what to sell. This is a channel that teaches you how to think through real market case studies, through system thinking, and through the evidence hidden inside every price chart. Every week, we'll revisit real market events, not to admire the outcome, but to understand the process that created it. Because once you understand the process, you no longer depend on predictions, you begin making your own decisions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now it's your turn. Open those two charts, study them carefully, then come back and share your analysis in the comments. I'm not looking for the right answer. I'm interested in how you think. Because on this channel, we don't just study charts, we learn how to understand the systems behind them. The market doesn't leave predictions, the market leaves evidence.